Dear friends, I feel extreme pleasure in delivering this message to those students who are appearing in the ESET 2020. I am Yashwan and I got state first rank in both Telangana and AP ESETs way back in 2018. This message is exclusive to those students who are appearing in the exam this year. For those students who are appearing next year, I will make other video explaining long-term strategies. Even though I belong to Triple E background, I am confident that this video will help you a lot in pushing up your ranks. Now that you have almost 1 month left for your exam, plan this month in the best possible way, which definitely helps you in pushing up your ranks. Let us first talk about the technical part, which carries 100 marks. By this time, I assume that you understood the basic concepts of each and every subject. You spend this 1 month in revising what you have already read and also a few more things which I am going to suggest. Number 1. Just Google MCQ in so and so subject. For example, just type MCQ in strength of materials. MCQ stands for multiple choice questions. If you prepare all of those bits from all the subjects, I am 100% sure that 50 to 60% of your technical paper will be from these bits. These bits are exam ready. Since the time is limited, try and manage it in such a way that all the topics are covered. Out of those bits, you will surely come across a few bits which you feel are out of syllabus. Nothing to worry, please learn them by heart. Those people who are afraid of mathematics should score enough in this technical paper. And remember, one subject a day from now on will work it for you. Have a fair amount of idea on every subject and then concentrate on your strength. But you should never fully ignore mathematics or any subject for that matter. I even suggest you to take up technical paper first while attempting your exam. Coming to mathematics, I am afraid there is not much that you can do in this 1 month if you have not been continuously practicing. Anyhow, there is this book, ESET Mathematics by M.B.S.S. Prasad in Radiant Publishers with all the topics covered in objective form. We have a number of bits on each topic and also a solution for each problem at the back. Do as many problems as possible and as many times as possible from that book. Those who are afraid of mathematics, please concentrate on second year mathematics, which is easy to understand. Those who are aiming for a very good rank should not leave any topic. Even in mathematics, especially in first year mathematics, there are many theorems which may be given as bits. Please, if you are not understanding them, please learn them by heart. Coming to physics, if you are confident enough, then practice problems on kinematics and few other problematic topics. If not, please practice basic problems at least on each topic. Most importantly, please get the EAMCET Physics book by Deepthi Publishers. I repeat, EAMCET Physics book by Deepthi Publishers. You either borrow it from your friends or buy it yourselves, but I insist on this book. This book has synopsis on each topic, each chapter, and you even have bits for practice. You even have solutions for each bit, explaining how it came and all. If you read this book, I am 100% confident that out of 25 bits, 20 bits are directly given from this book in an easy or even a moderately tough question paper. Same is the case with chemistry. Take EAMCET Chemistry by Deepthi Publishers. Few topics are covered in volume 1 and few other in volume 2. Please read synopsis in such a way that you frame a few fill in the blanks or multiple choice questions from those synopses. Just read this book. It doesn't take much of your time. This helps not only those students who are aiming for a good rank, but also those students who are not so confident about the exam. Above all, confidence is all that matters, and that confidence you get only when you prepare well. I thank Venu sir for giving me this opportunity in interacting with my juniors. All the best for your exams.